we're going to learn how to do stitch braids, and we're going to learn how to do stitch braids without using the comb or without using a nail on the pinky finger. So this is just a basic stitch braid tutorial. So the first thing you want to do after you finish part, you want to mold your client's hair. I like to mold the sides and I like to mold the front. Then you're going to comb the product through. You're going to comb the product through on both sides. Make sure you clip the hair that you're not dealing with out of the way. Then I like to part the front for the base of my stitch braids. The second thing I like to do is part down the middle so I can have control when I'm doing my stitches. And you don't have to do this step, but this is how I do my stitch braids. I have both sides. The first thing we're going to do, we're going to make a basic braid. At the beginning, we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to stitch. Grab the left here, and then we're going to stitch. Then we're going to continue braiding. I'm going to grab the left side, right side, and then we're going to stitch and put this hair on top of my pinky finger through the middle. And then we're going to continue braiding. Then we take the left side again, stitch, put it in the middle, and then continue braiding. Right side, stitch, middle, continue braiding. And then you're just going to continue doing that. So you're just going to continue that motion, stitching from the right, and then you go stitch in the left, and you just continue that same motion going all the way.